Alright guys, so today we're super excited for where we're going. Can you guess at all where it is?
We're going to Salem!
We'll see you guys where the witches hang.
Oh my god, we have to keep that. Yes! Oh my god!
Oh, pee my pants! So I totally did not mean it to come out that way. We're gonna see you guys where the witches hang out. Alright guys, so first stop is the Salem Witch Museum because we figured why not learn a little bit more about the area before we go explore it. Also, just a heads up, if you are traveling here during COVID, they do have purchase tickets online only, which we did not know. We sat here, literally went online, got same day tickets, and we only have to wait 20 minutes, and it's a Saturday, so pretty good, worked out. These packets are really cool because they are descendant packets, and it's mainly for anybody who's a descendant of one of the 20 people who were killed during the witch trials, and it's got information about them and their life.
So we just finished up the incredible tour at the Salem Witch Trial Museum. Super informative. There was no photography or video allowed, but if you're in Salem, you definitely need to check it out. Now we're at the Howard Street Cemetery, and this is the land where Giles Corey, one of the accused during the Salem Witch Trials, was supposedly pressed to death back in 1692.
We are at the memorial for the 20 people that were killed during the Salem witch trials. And there are blocks all around this area that have all their names, how they died, and when they were killed during the trials.
Well, I'm one state late, but I finally got Narragansett, the official beer of Rhode Island.
So we ended up getting some buffalo chicken tots, and Derek got a
New England clam chowder. This man's, he'll skip anything. He's skipping shells here too. Oh, that sucked! I'm so sorry. You're gonna delete that. I'm deleting it anyway. we're at Dead Horse Beach in Salem, Massachusetts, and I have yet to see a single dead horse. Utter disappointment.
Alright, Jared's gonna try this again. Let me zoom in. Alright, try skipping it. That's a little better, but you know, the view is a little far away. Guys, so we just got done at Salem, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I guess tourism and everything has made you, made me think at least that there's black houses everywhere and, you know, old villages and everything about the historic, you know, witch trials and everything, but it was not that. There wasn't a whole lot of black houses, and it felt just like a regular downtown, very modern, and a lot of chintzy gift shops. So I'm a little bummed. I had high hopes. What did you think? Have you been there? Was it what you expected? Did it live up to what you thought it would be? Comment below. Alright, so we decided to stop at Singing Beach on our way back to the campsite, and it's definitely a prettier, much nicer beach to check out and worth stopping by. With ocean water? This is how you know you live in an RV. Missed us.
You want the ball?
We found a ball at the beach, and now it is Missoula's. Yay! Hey, chunky baby. Yeah. And oh my god, we go in attack mode. Alright, it is day 3. We are heading to Boston, and we're actually almost there. We've been on the road a little bit this morning. It was about a 40-minute drive. It's also Easter Sunday, so we were told by the gentleman who works at the place we're staying at that parking is free on Easter Sunday if you park at the meters. So we're going to try to get a spot because we weren't going to drive here today, so we'll see. Roads are clear. Fingers crossed to get a site to park at, and we'll see you guys in Boston.
Pissah. That's right, guys, we're in Boston, and it's Easter Sunday. The roads are completely empty and the sidewalks, there's nobody here. It's awesome. Take a look.
So we were going to take you guys to Brattle Bookshop, which is a historic bookshop. It's one of the oldest ones here in America. And it's an outdoor bookshop with like first editions and everything, but due to COVID, they are closed. So this is the view instead.
Standing in front of the Old South Meeting House. It's a super iconic spot here in Boston. This is the place where Samuel Adams gave the go-ahead for the Boston Tea Party to occur after 5,000 people came here to debate the new tea tax. And it all happened right there. Alright, so we just finished the Rver house tour. There's no filming or photography inside, but it's totally worth it. It's only $6 per person for adults. College students get a discount and everything. This house was built in 1680. It was 90 years old and Paul Revere even bought it. But he lived here for a super long time. There's actual original pieces that Paul Revere owned in the house too. So if you're in Boston, you gotta check this out on the Freedom Trail. Oh yeah, I started, sorry. What am I saying again? Good morning, everybody. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video while we showed you around a little bit of Massachusetts. What else am I supposed to say? We had an absolute blast in Massachusetts.
But yeah, if you guys liked this video, hit that like button and please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the land of cheddar.